Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Some cricket news first up. Jamaica and West Indies pacer Oshane Thomas is recuperating from injuries he sustained in a motor vehicle crash along the PJ Patterson Highway on Sunday. President of Melbourne Cricket Club Mark Nita told TVJ Sports Thomas suffered only cuts and bruises and has been released from hospital.
Now, luckily for Shane that he has not had any serious injury. He was kept for about 6 hours at the Spanish Town Hospital, actually, and he was released. And he has some bruising over his body, but nothing significant. He's home resting and should be back in action after a few days' rest.
Now, on Sunday, the 22-year-old Thomas posted a video on social media entering an ambulance wearing a neck brace. But Nita says it was just a precaution.
Once they moved him from the accident site, the first thing they did was to put on a neck brace on him. But he was very alert. He was sitting upright on the median and he was conversing. At that time, he didn't have any pains, any significant pains around his body, but it was put in place just for a precautionary measure. And I think Oshane, despite being shaken up, will, after a couple of days' rest, will be fully recovered.
Thomas is set to resume training on Wednesday.